Hey, what's up guys? Back with another video. Red Redemption 2? Yes, we're back online. It's me and your boy Gabe. Say hi, Gabe. Okay, we are going to be playing online, destroying those cops. But yeah, give me a second, I'm going to change my camera up so you can see it full. You can hear the music and that though. Right, okay, that should do. Okay, now is it better, guys? Just leave a like and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really need subscribers. I don't have a lot, but I think my name is Greg. But okay, let's start unloading this. Oh wow, Redemption 2. It's just far so realistic. I can't believe it's so many detail, like the eyes, the skins, everything. I don't know. It feels like real life, but except it has those things. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a like and ding the bell if you want. Wow, that cute horsey just riding like this. Like that. Yeah, the horsey is being an awesome one. Grave. People died in this game. Oh, they always die. I hate it. But this is my controller. PS4, it's black. Why is it black? I hate black. But anyways, black is my favorite. It's 50% now. Oh, that light's pissing me off. I might just go, go hunt for animals. Talk to other people in the game. I don't know if that marks, but I'll see. I think they would have marks. Let's see. Do you think I'm loaded in now? I think I hate this because game chat's really annoying. A lot of old people play this game. Old people play this game. I don't want to say this in the game, but anyways. Let's just continue. Does anyone have mics? Anyone? Oh, okay, looks like I'm in a party, so that's good. Okay. Let's call my horse. Oh, I'm back here. Oh, okay. Oh, let me up. What the hell you just say? Stay away from me. It's my horsey. No, someone's on my team, bro. They could have helped me. They were on my team. What an asshole. Gonna break the assholes in a second if they piss me off. Okay, horsey. Where's my horsey? I don't know where my horse is. Bro, I think... Oh no, this is gonna be bad. I don't know where my horse is. I want to kill these dogs because they're annoying me. I think there's people. Yeah. Scary nag. Do I have any? No. Gonna eat. Okay, I'm gonna go. Oh no, it's fine. She's so skinny, bro. Yeah, what a good horse you are. You idiot horse! What did you do that for? Where's that? Where's the train?
Yeah, I've got half an hour.
My horsey still. Oh, I think I got that anyways. Hey. You idiot, why would you do that? Pick up his hat. If you gotta run because I might die. Anyways. I think we're going into the city now. So many details on this game. Scary nag might be doing something because it might be a boy. I think it's a boy. Scary nag is always a scary nag. Aren't you so scary, Naggy? There'll be crocodiles in this place. Oh. Oh. Walking style. Crazy. Yeah, look at you, huh? Come and kick me. Yeah, I love Red Dead. Oh, what am I doing? Ah. Take me back, you little dumb. Ranked up, level 5. Take my mama to your death. Oh, maybe there. Oh, that would hurt. He's definitely dead, Val. His nuts would have hurt. Knife. Gotta go have a look at some other clothes. I might buy different clothes. What the hell, horsey? What the hell are you doing? Come on, I wanna get to the place. What the hell those pig assholes doing there? Anyways, they shouldn't be screaming for help. They should be crying. Ow. I didn't mean to kill him, bro. Go cry to your mama. is an absolutely Right, well, so maybe I think that witness. Oh, is this us? Oh, oh. See, don't break my legs, please. Not my horsey! Let go of my horsey! My horsey! Good boy, horsey. Ouch. I'm like absolutely one shot. Ouch. Why is my eyes blinding? That horse kicked my head so hard. Okay.
Minutes.
Want to see a doctor. Oh, someone's around here. I feel like I'm hurt. I need to see a doctor. Okay, my health is still. Dimension 75. to find. What's this? It's just nothing. Don't think there's nightclubs in this game. The general store. It's just raining very loud. Fresh food. I feel like I need some of these. I really need. Need one of these. Okay, I'm gonna have to find the clothes store quickly. Well, it is somewhere around here. Come on, where's the clothes store? It's just up there. It's just raining, like, I hate rain. %50 on level health, and this is where the store is for the clothes. Clothing. Okay, let's keep looking. content that I can actually make. Need to be rank 14. Okay. Whew. Okay, I need gloves. I need gloves. Okay. Okay, I think Nicola. Oh. Okay, give me a second. I might actually buy that one. I need to, come, I need to get pants. I need these. Whoa, what are you doing? Stay back. Ah, come on, that's bad. Ah, this is like really bad, bro. I hate this. There's cops on me. Come on, horsey. Need you out. Get off my ass. I don't need you. Oh, idiot. Why would you fucking punch me, bro? Idiot. Stop it. Gotta get out of here, bro. No, it's not good. Where's my horsey? Come on, horsey. I really need your help. Stay back. Oh, got him. Idiot, did that guy just die? I don't know. My horsey's going crazy as nuts, bro. Fuck, just killed him. Get off my, knock this guy out. Ah, I'm gonna die. I gotta get out, 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 I gotta get out. I gotta get out, I gotta get out, get out. Get out, get out, get out, get out. I'm one shot, I'm one shot, I'm one shot, I'm one shot. I don't wanna be one shot. I don't wanna be one shot. Ah, I'm like one shot. Please leave me alone. Oh my gosh, why was he? You wanna stay back? Oh, oh my god. I'm dead. What?